Ever noticed a rotten egg smell coming from your water? Yuck, right? That sulfur smell can be a real nuisance, but don't worry. We're here to help you understand what's causing it and how to fix it. The culprit behind that unpleasant odor is hydrogen sulfide gas. It forms when naturally occurring sulfur bacteria in your water interact with the magnesium or aluminum anode rod inside your water heater. This reaction creates that stinky, sulfur-like smell. Don't worry, it's not dangerous, it's just annoying. But the good news is there's a simple solution: a powered anode rod. Unlike traditional anode rods, powered anode rods use electricity to protect your water heater from corrosion, without encouraging the growth of odor-causing bacteria. Powered anode rods are easy to install and require little maintenance. They're a long-term fix that not only eliminates the sulfur smell but also extends the life of your water heater. Say goodbye to that rotten egg smell and say hello to odor-free water. Call today at 407-910-4838.